Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing a workable patch and testing the paint. First, scrape a tiny area with a plastic scraper to see if paint flakes or stays. Once done, apply rubbing alcohol to a hidden 1-inch spot to determine solubility. This tells you whether to use water-based cleaners or stronger solvents. Make sure to ventilate the room and wear gloves. This protects you and prevents damage. Prep limits risk and speeds the actual removal when you move to cleaning. You now soften the paint so it lifts without scraping deep. For latex, mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap. For oil-based, apply mineral spirits sparingly, test first. Once applied, wait 2 to 5 minutes to let the solvent penetrate the film. Then, with a plastic scraper at a shallow angle, lift softened bits. Make short passes to avoid gouging. After lifting, blot the residue with a damp microfiber rag and repeat the soften and scrape cycle until most paint comes away. You finish by removing solvent residue and restoring the floor's appearance. First, wash the area with a floor-safe cleaner or diluted vinegar solution, then dry it fully. Moisture trapped under finishes can cause damage. Once dry, buff gently with a soft pad to even the sheen, and if necessary, apply touch-up paint or sealer sparingly. If paint won't budge, use a heat gun on low from a distance or a commercial remover designed for your floor type. Test, wait, and always ventilate to avoid fumes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.